Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. And with my mini savings video, I use 6 saving challenges. And I have $50 here. I have 2 $5 bills that are little savings boosts for me. So I'm just going to put those in there like that. And I roll a 6-sided die to let me know or tell me exactly where to put 2 bills at. So let's get started. Oops. So we have 3, 2, and I believe we should finish 1 today, hopefully, if the die allows. All right, 3, 2, come on, 6, 3. Okay, we got a 6. 1. Oop, 3. Okay, 3 getting all the money. 1. Oh, there goes savings boost. 2. 4. Okay, 4. These bills are like sticking together. 4. I got these ones from my husband. 1. 5. 5. And can we get another 6? And we got 1. All right. Let's see how much did each one get. All right, let's start with this one. And this one is created by Plan to Save Designs. Oh, this one got both savings boost. And this says $30. And it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. I had to count that again because those ones are sticking. So $18. So let's go. Let's go 3. And let's finish here. Another 3, that's 6. 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 16. And 2 more, 17, 18. Perfect. And let's see how much we got total. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. And it's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yep. All right. Okay. How to do that. All right. Next we have, what is this? Oh, this is created by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. Oh, and we only need $2, and it says $32. So today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. But I'm going to take these 2 out, put that money to the side, and color that one in, and make sure we have $32. And we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2. Yep, that is $32 and a completed challenge. That is perfect. All right. Let me see. Put that there, that there. Let's get another challenge. I was a little prepared today. So this one is Your Terrific. And this is created by Doodle Dollars. And let's make each little teacup, let's go ahead and make it $2 each. All right. And we're just going to put that in here. Set that to the side for now. And I know most people would take this money that was left over and put into the new challenge, but I like to, if any challenge is close to finish, I like to use this money towards that challenge. So we can just close a challenge out. You know, the more you complete, the better. So this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Each egg $2, say 16, and they got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So let's get those. Ooh, I am doing a horrible job. 2, 4, and 6. And I hope everyone had an awesome Easter. My Easter was really relaxed. Didn't do anything. It was nice outside. So I just was outside on the back patio, just chilling, enjoying the nice breeze and the sun. It was fantastic. So far, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And I just love days like that. Love it. All right. So this one is created by Budget with Carly. I made each egg $2, and today I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So let's do 2, 4, and 6. It was like I can complete a couple of these. So far, I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. All right. Next is, this one is also created by Budget with Carly. Save $30, and you need 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see if we have $8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So let's go ahead and 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sure we have 30. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, gems. And that is another completed challenge. That is awesome. So far, that is what, $62. Not too bad. Let's do this one. So this one is created by Bookish Mama Budgets, and I believe I got this in her, I'm part of her Kofi membership. So that is very cute, says 24. And see, we have this challenge created by Doodle Dollars, one cute chick, and today it got $2. So let's cross off a flower, because each flower I made $2, and it says 32. Oh, it needs $4 more. Oh, so far I got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. All right, so let me see how many. So this one is close to be finished. This is close. This is also close. And that one, not too much. So how much money I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Oh my goodness. Let me see. $8. How much did this one need? 2, 4, 6. Oh, but this one, should I? Oh, goodness. I must drop the money. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Should I just finish this one? 2, 4, 6. 246, 24. I think I am just going to finish this one. This one, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I think that is right. Let's see if this is $30. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, it is. So that is another completed challenge. Let's put that. So that is what, $92. Woohoo, yes. That is awesome. So let's get another one. Do I got another one created by Plan 2 Designs in here? No, I thought I did. That's okay. We can put this one in there. So this is, I created this. You can find this in my Etsy shop. This says $36. So that is good. So we got a couple new ones that we are starting next week. And maybe some more we will complete. All right. So I put the completed ones in this completed saving challenge envelope, and this is where the other completed ones are. So we will count up next week how much I saved for the month of April, and then we will put it towards my sinking funds. All right, gems, I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember, gems, to stay magical. Bye, gems.